Hello again. Now we're going to check the answer for the exercise number 3. In the first one, you need to complete using the future continuous. So, as you have in your notebook, you need to use the auxiliary will plus the verb plus be plus the verb in ing form. So, you're going to complete here, what will you be wearing this time next year? Okay, for question number 2, we have here that is a yes no question. So we start with the auxiliary will, then the subject, the particle be, and the verb in the ing form. So we have that, will you be studying or working? Okay, let's complete here, or working in the year's time. And for the last one, where will you be living in 20 years' time? Okay? Please check if your answers were correct, and then we're going to continue checking the next exercise. Okay, in the number 1, it must be Sue will be taking, with the ing form, a shower while Belle is still sleeping. Number 2, Belle is going to be taking a shower while Sue is, okay, you need to complete with the ing form, playing soccer. Number 3, Sue will be going home while Belle, okay, remember that we are talking about the third person singular, is, and the verb in the ing form, is watching TV. Number 4, Sue will be taking a second shower while Belle is working on a project. Number 5, Belle and Sue will be, what is next here in the structure? If you remember, you need to use the verb in ing. So, Belle and Sue will be having lunch at the same time. And for number 6, while Belle is reading a book, Sue will be having fun at a party. Okay, check your answer. And let's continue working in the next activity. Okay, for the next activity number 2. For this exercise, I want that you edit, just only edit and answer the following exercise, okay? If you remember, we studied the compound adjectives, okay? So here you have the list of the words that you are going to use to complete each sentence. You complete number 1, number 2, then go to number 3 and 4, and at the end, I want that you complete these sentences with the correct compound adjectives, okay? You just only edit and write the correct one, okay? Check, and in the following activity, I will post the correct answer. So set your time, and see you in the next video.